Hey guys, welcome to Wickedly Crypto. Today we're going to talk about Debitum. If you watched my previous video about PayPal, Dragon Chain, Pillar Project, Simple Token, Cardano, Wabi, and verifiers, you should be happy with your portfolio. I'm not a financial advisor. Investing ICO has inherent risk. Please use your due diligence to invest your money. So Debitum, what are they trying to do? Essentially, they're trying to do a small business financing on a blockchain. So you have different players in the ecosystem. You have the borrowers. They are small, medium enterprise. So they want to apply for a business loan. And you have a verifier. So they verify whether the business or asset is legit. They verify the loan application. And then you have an insurer. They are insure the loan. And also you have an investor or lender who come in to invest the loan. So you have different players in the ecosystem. So essentially this is an ecosystem for small, medium enterprise financing on the blockchain. So the Debitum token will be used within the network, within the ecosystem. So each player who want to participate in the ecosystem, they have to utilize the Debitum token. So in the white paper, they show the detailed steps of financing process. So you have a borrower, the small, medium enterprise, they want to join the Debitum group, and then they apply for the new loan application. In order to do that, they have to purchase the Debitum token to be part of the game. And then you have a verifier. Before they verify the asset, they also have to purchase the Debitum token in order to participate the ecosystem. So they verify if the business or asset is legit. Then you have an insurer who come in to insure the loan. They need to purchase the Debitum token. Investor will choose which loan they're going to invest in. If they want more information about the loan, they may need to pay a small amount of fee to get a more better, like a report or something to evaluate the loan before they make a decision. You have a secondary market. Investor, in case they need money, they can resell their loan in a secondary market to other investor. So this is like a hybrid model, because for the loan itself, you have to pay in fiat currency. But if you're utilizing the service, you have to pay the Debitum token. So here the fiat investment, the fiat facilitator transfer all the investment to participate small, medium enterprise and record it on the Debitum network. If the loan pay on time, then the payment will go to the, with interest, go to the investor and record it on the Debitum network. If the loan goes sour, you will have a debt collector. So this is how the whole ecosystem works. So more people, if more people participate in the game, then more people will use the token, then it will increase the network effect. So let's look at the, actually they have a demo. Let's look at the demo. So the demo, here's the demo that you can saw it on the website. So you have an investment, you have my investment, and then you will see like the repayments, and then you also have a secondary market as well. So how much money you want to invest in the secondary market. And if you click on that loan, this 42,000 loan, they will show you the detail of the loan and everything. So I think my computer is a little bit slow right now. So anyway, so this is a pretty interesting project for the team. So you have the, so Martis is the co-founder. So let's go to LinkedIn. So Martins, he's the co-founder of Debitum Network. Before, he is also the board member of Debitum. Debitum actually offer an alternative finance solution for small and medium business in Lithuania. And he's also the director for Intech, which is around 3 years. For Donatus, he is also the co-founder of Debitum, as well as Debitum as well. And he's also the co-founder of Intech as well. So he worked in Intech for 5 years. So Justice is a CFA. Justice, he's the co-founder of both the Debitum and Debitum. And previously he worked for Orient Security. Orient Security is one of the largest non-banking financial group selling securities. So if you look at the technical team for this project, so let's go to all team members. So they have a pretty decent size of developer. So a lot of them, they come from Intech. They have been with the Debitum project for quite some time. Right now, they just switch over to Debitum project. So for the advisor, most of them have very well experienced in the industry as well. They are very active in Telegram group as well as Twitter. So for the ICO itself, let's look at the ICO. So the ICO itself, for the Debitum, the coin will be in the ERC 223, which is more updated than ERC 20. So the supply is 400 million. The high cap is 24,000 Ethereum. So currently we are at round B. So the price for round B right now is 6,850 of Debitum for 1 Ethereum with 5% bonus right now. And this is a utility token, as we mentioned before. So the distribution, 60% crowd sale, 15% reserve, 15% the team share, vested for 12 months, and 10% for early supporter, which is vested for 6 months. This means they cannot dump the token on day one in the exchange. So if they are vested for 6 months, they are stuck for 6 months. Let's go to see the roadmap for this project. So they start Debitum on 2015. On 2017, June, they reached 3 million euro portfolio, nearly 20 million euro asset turnover. So right now we are in Q1 2018. They're building the Debitum Network 1.0. The crown sale, we are in round B right now, product development start, and then on March 2018, they will expand the Debitum Network team to prepare for global expansion. On June, they were establishing Debitum Network in the first target country, which is Lithuania. And 2018, September, testing and audit Debitum Network 1.0 before public launch. So this will take about probably 7 months before they launch. So this is some of the project they launch next month, but this is pretty reasonable at this time. And then Q4, the Debitum Network 1.0, they will create more on-board asset generator investor on Q4. So this is a very, it seems like a long-term project for now. If you go to the FAQ, so which loan products you are targeting first? So Debitum ecosystem veteran service is the first target they're going to do because Debitum has the most extensive experience in this sector. So how long it will take to build the whole Debitum network? It will be built within 5 years. So as I said earlier, this is not a short-term project. This is a long-term project. So how long will it take for Debitum Network to become self-sustainable? Initially, we'll launch Debitum Network in the home market, Europe, and then they will expand to South America, Asia, African, and Middle East. Do you have support of local authority? Yes, we are supported by the Ministry of Economy of the Republic of Lithuania, which is good because with security like this, it's not security. I mean, if the loan market is a small business financing, it's better to have a government support with the regulations and everything. So I think they just recently have an agreement with an exchange with Leveline. So Leveline is a new exchange will be launched in February. So this is the exchange they're going to list it. So this is a brand new exchange. They will be launched in February. This exchange is based in Singapore. They claim their trading speed is very fast. So we'll see. So their strategy is to list with the exchange, smaller exchange first. Then they will have more leverage to negotiate with larger exchange. Eventually, they want to be listed in Binance. So as everybody knows, if you listed in Binance, you're going to be a 10x or 20x return. I mean, this is good that they tell you upfront that they're going to list it in certain exchange, as opposed to some other ICO. They don't tell you which exchange they're going to list, and you're stuck with your money and everything. So if you like the video, please subscribe, and also hit the like button as well. If you want me to cover some other ICO, please comment below. I'm not a financial advisor. Please use the due diligence to invest your money. Remember, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace.